Here we have decimal multiplication using the lattice method. Now remember, with lattice we take pieces one at a time. So here I'm going to multiply 1 times 8, which is 8. So 0, 8. Okay, next 8 times 8 is 64. 7 times 8 is 56. 5, 6. Now you notice I'm always putting the tens place up top and the ones place down below. So 6 times 8 is 48. Adjust those a little bit. Okay, now with the 4. Now remember, you can start anywhere you want. So this time I'm going to start over here with 24. Move 4 so we can see it. 7 times 4 is 28. 8 times 4 is 32. And last but not least, we've got 1 times 4, which is 4. So I'm going to put my 0 up here for the tens place, and the 4 down here for the ones place. Now again, highlighting is just to show you what it is that we're multiplying. So I'm going to multiply here, and that sum's going to go there, or add, sorry, not multiply, add. So sum's going to go there. The next sum here, go down my diagonal, multiply it there. There. Now you'll notice I haven't worked much with the decimal because I have 67 and 81/100ths times 8 and 4/10. I haven't talked about the decimal one single bit because I don't need to worry about it till the very end. Okay, so here I've got 4 because that's the only number there. 8 plus 0 plus 2 gives me 10, so I'm going to put a 0 and carry my 1 up here. So 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16, 6. Carry the 1 up here. So that would be 7, 13, 14, 15, 19. Carry the 1 up here. 5, 6, 14, 15, 16. Carry the 1. You notice I'm taking my time with the addition. Don't have to rush it. You're not in a hurry. And then I get 5. Alright. So let's type it out. 5, 6, 9, 6, 0, 4. Alright, now I'm going to go back to the problem. I've got 1, 2, 3 place values to the right of the decimal. 1, 2, 3 to the right, and then I'm going to put my decimal point after those numbers. Let's make this a little bit bigger so it's easier to read. So I started with 1, 2, 3. That's much easier to see. And then my decimal point goes right there. So 569 and 604 thousandths is my answer. So let's check just to make sure. Okay, so I want to make this easy for myself, so I've got 60 times 8, which equals 480. And then I've got 70 times 9, which equals 630. You remember, this just gives me a ballpark to make sure I'm in the right area. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. I want you to give the video a pause, and then underneath this problem right here, I want you to draw yourself a lattice thing, and I want you to give it a try. So go ahead, pause the video, try it, and then we'll compare our answers. Okay, so this is what I came up with. 15 and 5,564 10,000ths. Okay, so I checked to make sure I was right. So 3 times 15, or 3 times 5 is 15, and 4 times 6 is 24. My answer is in between those two. Now, I am so close to 15 because 3 and 107 thousandths and 5 and 2/10 that are awfully close to 3 and awfully close to 5. So that's why my answer is awfully close to 15. So that is multiplying decimals using the lattice strategy.